Hi everyone, Sumit Chandra this side, and I welcome you to our channel Solution Bridge Network and one-stop solution for all your Power Platform tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Microsoft Power BI updates for the month of April 2024. As always, like other months, this month also Power BI has updated some of the components of Power BI. In this video, we will discuss those updates in details. Stay tuned with us for the updates. This is the blog post that has been shared by Power BI. I am on that page. On this video, we'll give you the link of that blog post as well so that you can refer whenever needed. Let's discuss the contents that has been updated by Power BI for this month. As you can see, the list of contents in the reporting section, we have a new visual for this month that is 100% stacked area chart. Power BI has updated some components of line graph as well. That's why here you can see line enhancement. Also, we have some updates in QA as well. In data connectivity, we have Snowflake connector update. In service section, they have lots of improvement in PowerPoint presentation. So the pointers are storytelling in PowerPoint. They have updated the add-ons for PowerPoint. There is an option for continuous slideshow auto refresh. We can auto populate the slide title with the new update and many more. In mobile section also we have some updates. Now it's supporting folders in workspace. Now we can scan barcode and remove the old barcode from mobile at the time of accessing Power BI report, as well as we can see Power BI items in full screen mode. In visualization section, we have some new visuals in app stores. They have updated KPI metrics growth rate card, financial reporting metrics, horizon chart, drill down scattered pro, image gallery, horizontal bar chart, trend, etc. Also, now you will get Copilot in Power BI desktop. Now, we will discuss some of the features and see some demo on Power BI. Let's move to the new visual 100% stack area chart. I have updated my Power BI software and let me show you how to create 100% stacked area chart in Power BI. Let me move to my Power BI screen and explain you how to create this new graph. Now I'm in my Power BI desktop and we have the updated software installed, and here you can see I have created this new visual that is 100% stacked area chart. So once you update your Power BI desktop, you will get these visuals on your build pane. To create this, you just need to click here and you can see I have taken my year month in X axis. In Y axis, I pulled my measures that is net sales, and in legend, I put my segment. And here you can see it's very easier to read, and we can see all the data point in the same screen without scrolling here and there. We can visualize this in 100% stacked bar chart as well. You can see I just change it to 100% stacked bar chart, but here we need to scroll up and down to see all the data points. But if we move to 100% stacked area chart, it is easier for us to see all the details in the same screen without scrolling anything. Let me show you some formatting options as well associated with that particular graph. So let me click on format, and in format we have the other components to format this graph, but here I'll highlight you some important components. Let's discuss the data label. So if we enable the data label section here and we expand this section, we'll get several options. So you can see this detailed option is enabled now. Here we can see the data level in percentage. If you wanted to see the data level in values, you can do it by enabling value option, and if you want both, you can enable both as well. Apart from this, some other components are also available to format this graph. So don't forget to explore all the options. And if you have any specific queries, let us know in our comment section. We'll be happier to help you. Let me move to the next section. Now I am in Power BI blog post, and here we can see some updates for line graph enhancement. As explained by Power BI, you can see we have some new options in line graph. Let me show you all these features in a Power BI report. In this page, I created a line graph. In this graph, we have some new option this month. If you click on lines, we have some options. So these options we already have earlier: linear, smooth and steps. But if we select smooth, so here we have two smooth type, that is monotone. Here we have selected monotone. Here we have another option, cardinal. So if we select cardinal, here if we select cardinal, we can increase and decrease this percentage, and we can adjust the curve level based on our needs. So here we have two different set of options where we can set up this. In color section, now we can set transparency for easier reading of the report, and it will help us in storytelling as well. For example, if I select a series, so let's say we select this series, that is home office, and if we go to the transparency section, here we can increase the transparency, and it will help us to focus in a specific area. So here you can see we have three segment. Out of three, we just set some transparency level in two, and we can easily read this consumer live. So this is help us in storytelling, and also if we wanted to focus in a specific thing, this option comes into picture. In series, let me select all, and instead of smooth, if we select step, we have some other options as well. So in step, we have step position, center, before and after. To see this in action, we need to enable the markers. So let me enable marker. So once we enable marker, we will able to understand these features. So this is center now. If we put before, our marker position will change accordingly. And again, if we put after, this position will adjust it. So these are the new enhancement for line graph for this month by Microsoft. Let me move to the document again and discuss some other features. In service section, we have so many updates in PowerPoint this month. As presented by Microsoft, you can see we can set up live data snapshot and public snapshot in a slide. In live data, you will get the updated or latest refresh data in the presentation or in the slide. In snapshot, you will get the snapshot of your visuals, but in snapshot you should have the access of this report, and in public snapshot, anyone who have the access of this PowerPoint, they can able to view it on the slide. They have updated this section as well, continuous slideshow auto refresh. So here you can set up the auto refresh timing on the slide. So after these intervals, our visual will auto updated with the latest data. We can generate auto populating slide title as well. It may be your report name, it may be your visual name or page name, that will automatically updated by using these features. In dynamic subscription section, they have changed the limits from 50 recipient to 1000 recipient this month. In mobile section, now it will support folders in workspace. So you can see different folders are there, and we can store various things based on our needs. We can clear barcode, and we can scan barcode and see our report based on the requirement. And we can open Power BI item in full screen mode in mobile as well. For that, we need to enable this option. In analytics section, they have introduced Copilot pane in Power BI desktop. They have already updated Copilot in Power BI service earlier. So now we can leverage the power of Copilot in our Power BI desktop. Let me move to the Power BI desktop and show you where you can get it. Through Copilot, you can create a report page, summarize a semantic model, or suggest a topic. Now we are on Power BI desktop, and here you can see this Copilot option. From here, you can access your Copilot, but to access Copilot, you should have the workspace access of premium users capacity. That's all for this video. Don't forget to explore all the new features that has been updated by Power BI for this month to stay updated, and let us know if you have anything to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon for the new video alerts.